Welcome back, All Things Outdoors Ohio. Second week of rabbit season. I got out yesterday for a little bit. Only ran one. It was terrible conditions, windy, rainy. But I got to get these dogs worked, like I said in the last video. So we got out and they had a good hour and a half run. Here's some short clips of that. Now we're back out here the next day and hoping to get a few up, maybe shoot a couple. Get the dogs nice and ready again. Like I said, they ran the one yesterday really well. So we'll see how they do today. Again, a little rainy. Rabbits are still probably sitting pretty tight, so we'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. Here he is, 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 here he is. Right here, right here. Here he is, right here, right here, right here. Here he is, here he is, here he is, here he is, here he is. Here he is. Well, that run was eventful to say the least. That rabbit ran 400 yards straight up to private property. I have no clue why, and I have no idea even how. It crossed the road and went straight up. The dogs hammered it all the way, but I had to turn the camera off and run to that road and try to get him back. It took me about a half hour just to get him down again. But I went way up away from that hill, so obviously I jumped that one. That was the first of the day, just got started, so hopefully we can run a couple that are normal and don't run like that. So stay tuned. I didn't reload my gun when I crossed the road.
Steiny's on him.
Bring him here.
See if Steiny grabs it.
Steiny here. Good dog. Good dog. Well, my gun was loaded this time. As you seen, that thing ran straight up my leg. I didn't think I got him. Avery ran up the hill and the rabbit started squealing. The dogs got him. I got some pretty good pictures of Steiny there trying to pick him up. But second ran, we actually jumped to third as they were running. So second ran, first dead, my second of the year. We'll see if we can't get him on this third one. As I'm sitting here editing, I realized I completely forgot to film an outro. So pretty much ran 4, shot 1. That's my second of the year. Dogs had 7.5 to 8 mile. So not a bad day, not a great day. Scent conditions were good. Rabbits were still sitting relatively tight, but not a bad day. Able to get out and get dogs run, get them working again. So like I said, I'm striving to get them back to that point to where I know they're all ready and they're ran in. Gun season's right around the corner, so I have to take that week off, and then we're going to start pounding again. Dad's running again today. Today is Sunday. I ran on Thursday and Friday. So the dogs got a day off, and they're back at it again today, so that's good for them. But hopefully Dad does pretty well today. Like I said, we ran 4, shot 1. Dogs had 7.5, 8 mile. Not a bad day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one.